Shri Om Hrim Shri Hrim Hrim Shri Hrim Vitteshwaraya Namaha.
Namaste family, Har Har Mahadev. It's 31st December 2015, the last day of the year. Be thankful to the goddess, what she gave you in 2015 and ask for the blessings in 2016. Today is a very special day. We consider it the day of transformation. The last day of the year is called the Transformation Day. Because we are going into a new phase of life, changing from one to the other. Whatever you have done, could not do, make a list of everything. You have time, still another few hours. Make a list of what you want to do in 2016 and make a list for 2015, what you have done, what you wanted to do, what you could not do. Then tally everything, what you were not able to do and why. Then put more efforts if you really want to achieve that in 2016. Put more efforts. Try to remove all the obstacles by being positive all the time in your head. We need to be thankful, we need to be understanding one thing, that we are the creator of our own lives. God has given us body, mind, soul. We can think, we can create, we can invent with the blessings of God, obviously. But at least we have the freedom to do that. We are fortunate enough that we are in the human body to do something. Don't waste your time. This time is the most precious thing you have. You can earn money, you can earn relationships, you can earn anything. No matter what, you cannot earn time. The time which is gone, no matter how hard you try, you cannot get even an inch of it back in your life. So this is the most precious thing we have in hands. So we need to be the makers of our own destiny. Today you decide, work on that, and tomorrow will be yours. Today is the day, 31st December. I'm giving you a very simple spell that can help you in 2016 to create the destiny and get the blessings and transform all the wishes, all the negativity into positivity. This is a very simple spell. I have made a note of it. Sometimes I forget to tell you few things I always want to tell you before I start the shooting. And then when I'm shooting, I get more other points in my mind. I tell you everything and forget the main point. So today, yes, I have decided to make a note of everything, whatever I want to shoot from now onwards. This is my resolution, you can say. Alright, so what you will need is sandalwood paste. You need to buy sandalwood, the pure sandalwood, Indian sandal. Make a paste of it. Sesame oil lamp or clarified butter lamp. Lotus flowers, Shiva Lingam and Kali. Bel Patram. This you will get in the Indian market. Wherever you are in the world, you can go to any Indian market there and you can buy these flowers, things, everything. If you somehow don't get it, you can get the picture printed on internet. You have everything available. You can get the pictures of Shivalingam and Kali, Ma Kali, printed and then worship them. Whatever you have available. If you don't have sandalwood paste, no worries. You can make the turmeric powder paste by adding water into it and use that instead of sandalwood paste. If you don't have clarified butter lamp, you can use a candle instead of that, white candle. If you don't have lotus flower, No worries, whatever the flowers are available, holy flower is available in your country, you can use that. Belpatram, if you don't have Belpatram available in your country, no worries. Just take basil, because that is the holy plant and holy leaf. You can take that, you can take sage leaf and offer that to goddess, because it is believed that if you offer anything with pure love, it is accepted. Now what you have to do is, it should be done at 12 in the night, AM, 12 AM, your country time. When we are entering into the new year, the other side of this year to the other. So keep everything ready and you have to start right at 12 AM. Very first, light the lamp or the candle. Then offer flowers and Belpatram or sage leaf to Shivlingam and Ma Kali. Offer them lotus flowers and then paste, turmeric powder paste or sandalwood paste. Bow down to them. Ask for forgiveness for the mistakes you have done in 2015. Be thankful to them for whatever they have given to you in 2015 and ask for the continuous blessings in 2016. And then recite Om Namah Shivaya mantra 108 times and Om Kalikaya Namah 108 times. Again, bow down to them and celebrate your new year. Let the candle burn down or the oil lamp or the ghee lamp burn down completely. Keep them attended and then be thankful, stay positive and everything will be good and you are done with the spell. It's a very simple spell but very powerful. So, celebrate New Year. I'll pray for everyone, all my viewers, followers, friends, clients. I'm making special charms tonight, good luck charms. If you want to buy them, you can contact me on the given numbers. You can fix up appointments for the consultation or for the rituals on the given numbers, and you can log into my website www.iwcbt.in. You can write down the mail to me and I might personally myself answer to your mail. Wish you all the very best. Stay positive, stay happy, stay connected and be eco-friendly. Wish you a very, very happy New Year 2016. Namaste, Har Har Mahadev.
Vitteshwaraya Namaha.